Alright, so there's the actual river going back in through the trees. That's not a river. That was looking east, this is looking west. Right up, water's right up to the bridge deck, almost. Oh, the Amish are coming across. Go get that. Road's flooded over. River Road is completely flooded. Looks like they're going to try to go down the River Road. Oh, they probably don't like having their picture taken. I didn't even think about that. Oh well. I don't like paying land taxes. There we go. Yeah, that's a field, not a river. So.